Hello everyone, welcome to English class. Today I'll take you to the grammar world. And in grammar, we will start with a very basic topic which is very familiar to you. You might have studied in your preschool, in junior KG, or likewise. So, your topic is alphabet. I think everybody knows what is alphabet. But do you know the difference between alphabet and letters? Many of you make mistake. So let's come and find out the difference between alphabet and letters. Then we will come to our topic. But before starting, let me tell you a short story through which you will come to know the difference. Okay? So children, where do we live? We live in a house. Exactly. You also live in a house. I also live in a house. And what are these houses made of? ये houses किससे बने होते हैं? These houses are made up of walls. दीवारों से बने होते हैं. And how are these walls made of? ये walls कैसे बनती हैं? These are made up of bricks. Bricks, do you know bricks? ईंटें. ठीक है, जब बहुत सारे ईंटों को मिला देते हैं तो दीवारें बन जाती हैं और दीवारें जब खड़ी हो जाती हैं तो क्या बन जाता है? हमारा घर बन जाता है. इसी तरीके से लाइकवाइज किसी भी लैंग्वेज को बोलने के लिए फॉर स्पीकिंग एनी लैंग्वेज हमें एक सेंटेंस की ज़रूरत होती है. वी नीड अ सेंटेंस. ओके, वी नीड अ मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस. और उस मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस को बोलने के लिए वी नीड वर्ड्स. ओके, हम लोगों को वर्ड्स की ज़रूरत होती है. उस वर्ड्स को बनाने के लिए वी नीड लेटर्स. उस वर्ड को बनाने के लिए वी नीड लेटर्स. और यही लेटर हमारे क्या हैं? ईंटें हैं. दीज आर द ब्रिक्स. सो दीज लेटर्स आर A, B, C, D till Z. Okay? So now you know what is letter. What is letter? A, an individual A, an individual B, एक अकेला A, एक अकेला B. इसी तरीके से Z तक सारे letters कहलाते हैं. Okay? And a group of letters, a set of letters which is arranged in a alphabetical order. ओके, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एन अल्फ़ाबेट. जब किसी सेट ऑफ लेटर्स को हम लोग अरेंज करते हैं प्रॉपर तरीके से देन उसको हम लोग अल्फ़ाबेट कहते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो यू नो अ सेट ऑफ लेटर्स इन अ फिक्स्ड ऑर्डर इज़ कॉल्ड एज एन अल्फ़ाबेट. सो व्हाट आर द सेट ऑफ लेटर्स कॉल्ड? दीज आर कॉल्ड एज एन अल्फ़ाबेट्स. Do you know how many letters are there in an alphabet? You know? Yes, there are 26 letters in an alphabet. And what is alphabet? A set of letters in a fixed order is called as an alphabet. And how many letters are there in an alphabet? 26 letters are there in an alphabet. Okay? Now we will come to know about more thing. Okay children, so can you see this? Yes, these are beautiful letters. These are letters. You have just now read what are letters. Okay, an individual A, an individual B, an individual C till individual Z. These are called letters. A is a letter. A is a letter, but A to Z makes an alphabet. A to Z makes an alphabet. So can you see this? Now you know what is letter and alphabet. Now we will come to know further. Okay children? Okay children, so now we will see that letters are divided further into two parts. Letters are divided further into two parts. And what are the parts? These parts are, first one is vowels. Okay, children, we pronounce it as vowels. Okay, second one is as consonants. So the two parts of letters are vowels and consonants. Do you know how many vowels are there? No? Okay, let me tell you. There are 5 vowels in an alphabet. Okay, and how many consonants are there? If 26 letters are there and 5 are vowels. Then we will minus 5 from 26. So how many remains? 21. Yes. So there are 21 consonants in an English alphabet. So can you say this? Okay, a set of letter is called as an alphabet, and letters are further divided into two parts. One is vowel, which is 5 in number, and the rest remaining ones are consonants. So from this set of alphabet, we will select the vowels. Vowels are the special letters. Okay, these are very special. So the very first vowel is A. The second one is E. We will pick this and we will keep in this column. Then third one is I. Then fourth one is O. Then the fifth one is U. Can you find U? Yes, this one is the U. And the remaining like B, C, D, E, F, G till Z, these will go in consonant column. So we shall put in consonant. So children, can you see? Now I have arranged vowels A, E, I, O, U in vowel column and consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z in consonant column. So I think it's very clear to you between vowels and consonants. Okay, let me tell you in brief what are vowels. Okay, vowels क्या होते हैं? Vowels जैसे A, E, I, O, U, ये हिंदी में स्वर कहलाते हैं. ठीक है, what are these called in हिंदी? These are called स्वर. Vowels वो होते हैं जिनको हम गले से बोलते हैं. Okay, vowels are those letters which we speak from our throat. Okay, you speak with me, you will notice yourself कि आपने गले का यूज़ किया है. Like A, E, I, O, U. Okay, इसीलिए इनको हम लोग special letters कहते हैं. That's why these are called special letters, and these special letters are named as vowels, and these are 5 in number. And the remaining one that are consonants, these are not special like vowels. Why? Because we don't need a throat to speak. Okay, इसको हम लोग with the help of lip, with the help of teeth, with the help of tongue भी बोल सकते हैं. You repeat after me. B. Okay, B बोलने के लिए what we have used? We have used our lip. C. What we have used? Our teeth and the tongue. Likewise, okay, we speak with the help of our lip and with the help of our tongue. But vowels, we speak with the help of our throat. That's why these are called special letters and these are named as vowels. Okay children, so this was our today's topic, alphabets, which is the first chapter of your grammar book. So read this topic from your book and I hope you will come to know what is alphabet. And if you are having any problem, see this video again and again. If you still are having any problem, then you can comment below the video. I'll solve your queries.